In the previous class, we had discussed about division of a polynomial with a monomial. I mean trinomial with monomial, binomial with monomial. Okay. Today we are going to learn how to divide a polynomial with binomial. I mean a trinomial with binomial, and a trinomial with trinomial. Okay. First of all, we will discuss how to divide a trinomial with binomial. Okay. For that, we have to take one example. X square minus 2x minus 3 is divided with x minus 1. X square minus 2x minus 3 is divided with x minus 1. This is a trinomial. A trinomial is divided with a binomial. Okay. So first, x square minus 2x minus 3 divided with x minus 1. So keep it in a division form. So this is the division form. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to follow certain steps. The first step is take the first term of the dividend and divide it with first term of the divisor. So this is the divisor and this is the dividend. So you take the first term of the dividend and the first term of the dividend is divided with first term of the divisor. So here step 1, x square divided with x. Okay, x square divided with x. 2x's, 1x will be cancelled. That is good x. Okay. Now keep this x here. Okay. Now multiply this answer with the entire binomial. That means x into x minus 1. X into this answer, the first term of the dividend is divided with first term of the divisor, and the answer should be multiplied with entire binomial. X into x minus 1. X square minus x into 1 is x. So this should be placed here. X square minus x. As usual, you have to subtract this from this. So subtraction means you have to change the signs. Minus, this is plus becomes minus, plus x square minus x square gets cancels. Minus 2x plus x, that becomes minus x. Take down the next term, minus 3. So this is the first command. Okay. Now here also we have to divide the first term of the remainder with first term of the divisor. That is a second step. So minus x divided with x, minus x divided with x. X will be cancelled, that is equal to minus 1. So keep the minus 1 here. Minus 1 into this entire binomial. Minus 1 into x minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1 is 1. So keep this here. Minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. So plus minus. Minus x plus x cancels. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. Okay. So this is the remainder, and this is the divisor, and this is the quotient. Okay. Now we'll take one more example. Two x square plus 3x minus 1 so plus 1 is divided with x plus 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided with x plus 2. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided with x plus 2. as usual. Okay, what is the first step? So this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Take the first term of the dividend divided with first term of the divisor. So that becomes 2x squared by x. So that becomes x, 2x. So keep 2x here. 2x into this entire binomial. 2x into x plus 2 is equal to 2x into x, 2x square plus 2x into 2, 4x. So keep this here. Okay, that becomes 2x square plus 4x. Okay, now subtract. Minus, minus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square gets cancels. So plus 3x minus 4x equal to minus x. Take down the next term, plus 1. First term, okay. Again, step 2. Minus x divided with x. Minus 1. So minus 1, keep it here. Okay. Minus 1 into this entire binomial. X plus 2. Minus 1 into x is equal to minus x. Minus into plus minus. 1 into 2 is 2. Now keep it here. Minus x minus 2. Okay. Plus minus x plus x gets cancelled. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the remainder. This is the quotient. This is the divisor. Okay. So once again we'll verify whether our division is right or wrong. Okay. So for that we have to follow 1 2. What is dividend? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to, this is the dividend, is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So according to that we will verify. So we'll write this here. Okay. This is the dividend, this is the divisor, and the quotient is 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 3. Okay. Now let us verify. So first of all, dividend D is equal to, this is the divisor, okay, DIV into quotient. Okay, first of all we'll write 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Dividend is equal to divisor x plus 2 into quotient 2x minus 1 plus remainder 3. Now let us see whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. As usually I will multiply x into 2x minus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3. X into 2 is 2x square. Plus into minus is minus. X into 1 is x. Plus 2 into 2x, 4x. Plus into minus minus. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 3. So minus 2x square. Okay. 2 into 2x. X into x. X minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1. So this is the quotient. This is the remainder. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 2. I think we this is okay. This is 2x square. Okay, minus x plus 4x is equal to plus 3x. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to plus 1. So this is LHS. This is RHS. Okay. So this is RHS. This is RHS. So this is LHS. So LHS, and this is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence very much. Okay, ma'am. So like this we can verify whether our division is right or wrong. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you.